Hey, it's Steve with Raybuck Auto Body Parts. I got Jay and Ben over here too. We're pulling apart the Model A right here. Ben is actually getting ready to build, or started building one of his own jalopy. And I told him he could have whatever he wants out of this thing because this is all getting ripped out anyway. So here's what we got. This is a 30 Ford Model A. Pretty much original, 4-cylinder, all the mechanicals, got the mechanical brakes. We are just opening it up for the first time. I bought this a few years ago. The guy who I bought it off of started taking it apart probably 35 years ago and just jammed everything inside of it. He said it's all here. I really didn't care because I'm not using any of that stuff. It's going to be an open wheel car. It's getting chopped. It's probably getting a Coyote in it, and it's going to look a whole lot different than this. So we're going to yank this stuff out of here and get as much of the mechanicals and stuff out as we can so that Ben can put it in his. And then you'll see the other videos that he shows you of what he's doing with his. So we're going to show you how we yank this thing out of here as we figure it out. Seems like there's about 3 bolts maybe. 1 there, 2 there, and then we're not really sure about the rest.
Maybe 4 if you count taking the shifter out.
Yeah, and we got to get the shifter out. So, and we're guessing that thing probably weighs as much as that whole part of the car. So I'm not sure how that's going to go because we don't have an engine lift here today. It's over at Walt's house. But I don't know, we're going to put some straps on it and yank it out. We'll see how this goes. Hey, so as you can see, the motor is out. Sorry, there is a huge gap between where the video just was and where we are right now. Realized that it took us a couple hours to get the motor out, and we realized that after we got it out that the camera had stopped recording. So it was still on, just wasn't recording. So what you would have seen is us pulling this car out to the driveway, backing Ben's truck up to it, putting two wooden ramps between this area right here and right here and his tailgate, and we yanked the motor out. The three of us actually lifted it out, which was kind of interesting in a cluster, and slid it up the ramps and into the bed of his truck. So he got it home. He's gonna have some more videos of that. Again, sorry, this one was kind of a cluster because it took much longer than we thought, because Walt had the engine lift at his house and we didn't have it here, and we didn't think of a better way of getting this out and into his truck until after the fact. But it really was just a couple of bolts. There was one bolt literally right there. I think 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there. The whole thing came out once we got it unbolted from the transmission. The transmission literally just fell out once we unbolted it from the motor. We just had to wiggle it down and out of the way because the shifter was still attached. And the motor mounts were here. Literally 3 bolts on either side. I just took those out the other night because Ben's putting them in his car. That took all of like 5 minutes to take out. So those were interesting. These cars, I think Ben said it best, these are like a 1-to-1 scale model that you just kind of bolt everything together, but it works. So anyway, that's what's left of this one. You're gonna see this motor go in Ben's car hopefully pretty soon. He's working on it right now to get that thing running, and we'll have some more videos of that hopefully very soon. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel and like it. Thanks.